Preparing for a potential food shortage can be a daunting task, but it is important to be prepared in case of an emergency. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to prepare for a potential food shortage. Assess your current food supply, take inventory of the food you currently have in your home and make note of what you will need to replace in the near future. Build a food storage. Start building a food storage by purchasing non-perishable, long-lasting items such as canned goods, dried beans, and rice. Make sure to rotate your food storage regularly to ensure that items are consumed before they expire. Learn to grow your own food. Consider starting a vegetable garden or purchasing a small greenhouse to grow your own food. This will help you become more self-sufficient and reduce your dependence on the grocery store. Learn preservation techniques. Learn how to preserve food by canning, freezing, or drying. This will allow you to save surplus food for later use and reduce food waste. Make a plan. Make a plan for how you will acquire food in case of an emergency. This might include stocking up on non-perishable items, joining a community garden, or purchasing a stockpile of long-lasting foods. Keep yourself informed. Keep yourself informed about potential food shortages or disruptions to the food supply chain by following news and updates from local and national authorities, and food industry associations. Get a water filter. Water is also essential for survival, so make sure you have a water filter or water purification tablets in case of a water shortage. By following these steps, you can take proactive measures to ensure that you have a reliable food supply in case of a potential food shortage. Remember that it is important to be prepared and have a plan in case of an emergency.